Hey, it's Shannie from Mountain Product Stained Glass Studios. Let's talk about foiling today and getting your stuff foiled well and centered on your foil. So the first things you're going to do when you're foiling your glass, you want to make sure that it's ground nicely. If it's all sharp and pointy, it will break through your foil. If not when you're putting it on, then later when you're trying to burnish it. So you want to grab a hold of your foil like this. You want to peel back some backing. Hold it between your first two fingers, and you're going to use your thumb to keep that backing out of the way. You grab your piece, and you want to be looking down from the top, like bird's eye view it. Make sure that you have good lighting too, because the foil is reflecty on both sides. So if you have not the best lighting, sometimes you'll get a shadow, and it's tough to see if you're centered or not. So you want to get it as close to center as you possibly can. And as you go around, you can see I'm holding with these two fingers, and I'm kind of guiding with this one. You could use your pinky too if it's more comfortable. And I'm guiding with this one and centering this foil, or centering the glass on the foil the whole way. If you get a little off center, just peel back and rotate around so you get it to the right spot. And see, I'm using the pinky and my ring finger. Keep your fingers towards the center of glass so you're not smushing this down too much. If you have a real tiny piece of glass and you feel like you're going to end up, screwing that up, you can smush this down on this side, so you have a good grip. We got that part down, and now we have this part down. If you look here right now, you want to go past your beginning tail with your end tail. They have to overlap, because if they don't, your solder will not span over a gap in foil. Like you would think it would, but except for that it doesn't. So I line it up, make sure that this portion of the foil is matching this portion. They're both they're both lined up with each other. And come back just a little bit so you're not putting a humongoid end tail over your beginning tail. Trim that with a good sharp scissors. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And nope. Okay. Now we're at the point where we can squish our foil down. When you get to a corner, make sure you're using your fingernails, or if you don't have any fingernails, you can use your fid and make sure you get that smushed nicely into the corner so that it'll overlap nicely. Both sides. Squished in nicely. And now, foomp, you squish that guy over. We get to another corner. Get in there nicely, and foomp, foomp, foomp. Now we're at another corner, squished in nicely, foomp, foomp, foomp. Ta-da! And now we have a nice evenly foiled piece that is ready for a burnishing. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Peace, love, and stained glass. Bye-bye!